guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, we are going to create this amazing double exposure effect. So if you also want to create this and want to know the complete process, then keep watching our video till the end. Because at the end, you are going to see some more examples just like this. Okay guys, so now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, here we are in Canva interface, and for today's design, we are going to go to this create a design option and then going to select an Instagram post size blank page. As you can see here guys, it's loading and now it's loaded. After this, we are going to upload here some image, but first of all, let me show you from where we got those kind of images. So you have to go to pinterest.com and then here you will got so many images like that. As you can see here, you have to search for this code which is flashing in your screens. As you can see here guys, we have so many stuff related to that. Also guys, if you want to know about more such cool stuff, then you can check out a video which is flashing in your I button. Okay guys, now we are going to upload that image from this upload files option. So as you can see here guys, it's uploading, and after uploading it, we are going to select it and then it is here in the page. After this, we are going to adjust it in the page, and we are going to adjust it exactly at the middle of the page. Okay guys, so now it's done. After adjusting the image, we are going to increase the size of the page a little bit so that it will be properly visible. Okay, now after this, we are going to upload this image, but before that, we are sharing this image and downloading it in PNG format. Let's wait guys for it to download. Okay guys, so it's downloaded now. After this, we are going to upload it. So for that, we are going to add here a new page, as you can see here. But before uploading it, we are using another tool, and that is this Photopea. So you simply have to search for Photopea in your searching bar, and then you have to upload this image there. After this, we are selecting this magic wand option, and then we are going to select the image, and after that we are moving to this refine edge option. So here we have to set the border to 3 and then click this OK button. After this, we have to export it as a PNG image. Okay guys, now finally saving it. Okay, now after downloading it in our system, we are going to upload it. So as you can see here guys, it's uploading. Okay, after uploading it, we are going to select the image and then it will appear in the page. As you can see here guys, right now you are not able to see the image. So for that, we are going to set here a background. So let's search for the background here and write here the code love. Okay guys, so as you can see, we have so many options available in photos section. So we are using this image and its name is flashing in your I button. After selecting this image, we are going to set it as background. Okay guys, after doing so, we are going to cover the whole page with the image of those cute lovers. So as you can see, we are doing that. And now our effect is almost there, but let me fix the background image a little bit more. So as you can see, it is looking more enhanced from the previous one. So earlier it was like that and now it is like that. Okay guys, so after this, we are going to add here our channel's name. So that's why we are adding here a text box from the text section, and now in this we are going to write designed by expressivity and in bracket harshandakshu. Also guys, if you are liking our video till now, then please hit the like button below our video. Do subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time whenever we post a new stuff. Share this video with the one who needs it, guys. Okay guys, so as you can see, our text is written completely in the text box. So now we are arranging the text, and after this we are going to apply here some font setting. So let me search for an appropriate font. So we are using this font. Its name is flashing in your screen, guys, so you can easily search this text. Okay, after this we are going to minimize the text and then going to fix it in the proper place in the page. Okay guys, so let's fix this text in the proper place. Okay guys, so I think this will look more good in the upper side, so that's why I'm placing it here. So guys, our post is completely ready now. But before downloading it, I'm going to show you some more variations in this same post. So let me duplicate this post and then remove this background. Okay, after removing it, we are going to set here another background. So let me go to this magic recommendation option and let me try this image. Okay, setting it as background. I think this doesn't look that much good. So let me remove it and find another one. Okay, let me try this image as background. So setting this image as background and then covering the whole page with this lover's photo. Okay, let me flip this image and see how it looks. So I'm just going to select it and going to flip it. And after this, let's cover the whole page with this above photo. So I think guys, now it's looking more good. So I am going to stick to it. Okay, let me add another duplicate page here and then I am again going to show you one more variation. So again, let me remove this background image and then find another one. Okay guys, let's try this red image. Okay, its name is flashing in your screen, guys. So let me set it as background. I think this will not look good. So let me search for another one. And by the way guys, the image which we used previously, its name is this, as you can see in your screens. Okay guys, let me search for another image here. Okay, let me scroll down more. Okay, I think guys, this image will look good. So let me set it as background and cover the whole page with this lover's photo once again. Okay, let me fix the background a little bit so that the heart will appear in the middle. And now cover the page. Okay, it looks really good. So here we are with the 3 double exposure effects, guys. So now we are going to download it finally. So we are downloading it in PNG format as usual. Just remove the first image or the first page and now it's time to download it. Okay guys, so it's downloading. And after downloading, here we have our final effect. So guys, what do you think about this double exposure effect? Let us know in the comment section. Also, we have some more examples for you like these ones. Another one for you, a mermaid like this one, a cute boy like this one, and a princess like this one. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed and got a value here. Now we will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care of your lovely selves.